Hi, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here, and you are most welcome, guys, on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So I think today I'm here with my one of my favorite guests, Josh Mohan sir from Kerala. And so the first thing I would like to say to you guys, if you are new here on my YouTube channel, so please consider it and do subscribe because I think trying my level best to make videos for you guys. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. It will give me a more motivation to become better and give some better content for you guys. So today I'm gonna discuss a one question and I'm gonna ask a one question to Josh Mohan sir. So sir, can you? I think are you ready for that? And how are you?
Yes, I am fine. I am ready to give answer to your question.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Many, many thanks to you. So today I'm going to ask one question. The question goes to you. The question is, where is the most beautiful place you have been?
Okay, you are asking about the most beautiful place that I have visited. Okay. So
Mhm.
before coming to the point, I wish to ask you why you are asking this question. What is your purpose of
I
conducting
would
this
like to know
discussion?
first because sometimes what is happening, the English learners, they are also getting this kind of question from another people, and they haven't any idea like how to tell about the place where they have been and they found it really beautiful. So that's why I think I would like to ask this question to you. If you will give a beautiful answer, maybe the some learners and watchers they will get help and they will understand how to tell about the place where they have been and they found it beautiful.
Okay. Then I will come to the point. The beautiful place which I have visited is Kodaikanal. When we tell about this Kodaikanal, Kodaikanal is situated in Tamil Nadu, but it is very near to Kerala, very near to the borders of Kerala, and this is a hill station. When we come to the details of Kodaikanal hill station, I wish to tell the name of some other hill station equally good. It is one is Ooty, another one is Munnar. Munnar is situated in Kerala. Ooty is situated in Tamil Nadu. All these three hill stations are very near, and we can travel from one station to the other station. The distance is not too much. Okay, and I have visited these three hill stations. Among these three hill stations, I like Kodaikanal because the beauty is when compared to other stations, the beauty of Kodaikanal is much better. And I have noticed the 4 points. Because of these 4 points, Kodaikanal becomes beautiful. First one, it is a hill station. We can see several hills, beautiful hills and forest. Another thing, second point, the climate. Always we will get cool climate. It is just like when we are sitting in an AC room, we will get cool climate. Like that,
Yeah.
when we go to Kodaikanal, we will get a better than AC climate. We will get a 24 by 7. Always we will feel cool. And occasionally we will feel extreme cool also. That also we can enjoy. That cool climate is one attraction. Another point, there are several lakes. The one huge lake is there. Around this huge lake, we can walk, we can run, and we can ride our vehicle. Moreover, cycles are provided. We can take high quality cycles and we can ride this cycle around this lake. And I don't know exactly what is the total circumference of this lake. Approximately, I think it will come 4 or 5 kilometers. We can walk and we can enjoy the beauty of this lake. And many people come there. Moreover, several sightseeing points are there. One sightseeing point is called Suicide Point. Many people has committed suicide there, but nowadays they have made fence. Strong fence is constructed there. but we can go there and we can see the beauty. And there is a deep place. We can look from the top of the hill and we can look down and we can see the depth of this hill. It is too high, too deep. When we look to this deep side, we will get some extraordinary feeling. So we can enjoy that. Like that, several other beautiful points are there. Garden, beautiful garden is another attraction. They have maintained this garden in a very beautiful manner, and we can enjoy different varieties of trees and flowers. So these are the main attractions. I will repeat: beautiful hills and forest. First one, second one, lake. Third one, sightseeing points. Fourth one, gardens. And important point is climate. We can enjoy the cool climate. Another point I would like to add, there are several hotels and lodges. We can take small lodges or large hotels, and we can enjoy all types of food. All types of food, including North Indian food and continental food, are available there. Oh, and because of all these reasons, we can spend time as if when we live in Kodaikanal, we will feel that we are living in the heaven. This is the most attractive point. Okay, I think you would have understood the details about Kodaikanal.
Yeah, exactly. Of course, I got it. Yes. And yeah, thank you so much, and many thanks to you, sir, for telling about like the most beautiful place where you have been. And I'm quite happy to hear that about that place. And so thank you. And then the last, I would like to say to the watchers, please, I think just watch this kind of videos. It will help to you to know about the things, how to discuss about the topics, and just like just keep watching videos. I will come up with this kind of content in future as well. So in the last, I will say, and the bye bye, take care.
Bye bye, Ashutosh. Thank you very much.